In today's fast-paced, competitive world, small businesses need to stand out, offering more than just standard products. They need innovation, creativity, and efficiency. And that's where 3D printing comes in. It's not just for large-scale manufacturers anymore. Now, small businesses can also use the advanced 3D printing technology to enhance their production and stay ahead of the competition in 2024. Today, in this video, we will be discussing 5 essential 3D machines that can take your small business into the next level. Number 5. Metal 3D Printer. Metal 3D printing uses high-powered lasers to melt and fuse metal powders layer by layer. For small businesses in industries like aerospace, automotive, and healthcare, metal 3D printers can be used to create complex models that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Though the upfront investment can be significant, the long-term cost savings and reduced material waste make it an invaluable tool for any business dealing with metal parts. Number 4. Jewelry 3D Printer. Jewelry 3D printers, often using technologies like stereolithography (SLA) or digital light processing (DLP, are transforming the jewelry-making process. From personalized rings to complex necklaces, small jewelry businesses can now produce high-quality products at a fraction of the cost and time. No longer constrained by traditional methods, jewelers can offer one-of-a-kind pieces, personalized for each customer, quickly and affordably. Number 3. Carbon Fiber 3D Printer. Carbon fiber 3D printers are a game-changer for industries requiring lightweight yet incredibly strong materials. Using techniques like continuous fiber reinforcement, CFR, these machines infuse carbon fibers into thermoplastic polymers, creating parts that are stronger than steel but significantly lighter. For businesses in sectors like aerospace and sports equipment, carbon fiber 3D printing opens up a world of possibilities. These printers allow small businesses to reduce production expenses while offering high performance and best products. Number 2. Hybrid CNC and 3D Printer. The hybrid CNC and 3D printer combines the best of both worlds, additive and subtractive manufacturing. This machine allows you to 3D print complex parts with precision and then switch to CNC milling for final finishing touches. It helps in achieving a level of detail and refinement unmatched by standalone 3D printers. This makes it ideal machine for industries like automotive and manufacturing, where precision and performance are important. With this technology, you can streamline your production process and deliver high-quality parts. Number 1. SLS 3D Printer. SLS, or selective laser sintering, is a 3D printing method that uses a laser to fuse powdered materials, such as nylon, into solid structures. What sets SLS apart is its ability to produce highly durable, functional prototypes and end-use parts without the need for support structures. This makes it a go-to option for small businesses in the automotive, consumer goods, and healthcare industries. The absence of support structures also means that businesses can maximize efficiency by printing multiple parts simultaneously, further reducing production time and costs. If you like this video and want to get more useful ideas in different fields of life, then like and subscribe to our channel.